Guys, Bitcoin crashed with several $1,000s lost. The biggest whales out there are putting a lot of money into fake and fun news to scare the small retail investor into selling out, to getting Bitcoin's price down lower so they can get in more than ever because they know that it has a massive future here in the very near future during this bull run cycle. This is going to inevitably cause a lot of altcoins to pump massively. Now, is it the time to buy or sell? I'm going to be discussing that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day, on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in, and also letting you guys know when to sell when we've reached our cycle top. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, if you use my Webull link in the top pinned comment and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Guys, the reason we saw an $8,000 dump on Bitcoin is because the whales got together. They talk. The billionaires, the millionaires, and they decide when to buy and when to sell at the same time so that they can make money in unison. Guys, these flash crashes are completely normal when they do sell at the same time, causing people to have fear, the small retailer to get scared, have paper hands and sell out. Guys, that's what these whales want you to do. They want you to literally hand your money on over to them. So be sure not to do that. However, during these times, it gives us the perfect buying opportunity. This volatility is what allows us to make so much money on my Patreon time and time again. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. A huge news article came out titled, China's State Planning Agency Calls for Public Opinion on Bitcoin Mining Ban. This move could signal plans for the Chinese government to amend its previous negative stance on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency mining activities. Guys, they want the public's opinion, and if they do change things around, switch the tables and bring it back and allow crypto mining again, and to be able to purchase cryptocurrencies in China, this will cause cryptocurrencies to only shoot up that much more on this powerful bull run. So you want to be sure to get in before this happens, before this mass adoption occurs. This is really big news. Guys, people got rich on crypto, not because they got in on the uptrend, but rather because they got in early. They got in before the others in these infancy stages of crypto, just like we're seeing right now. Guys, when China cracked down previously, they cut every single crypto in half basically as the market crashed. Well, if they bring all this back, imagine what it could do, guys. We could easily see a lot of our favorite top cryptos double in price in a very short period of time. Some more huge news, guys. An article came out titled, Valkyrie Bitcoin Futures ETF to launch on NASDAQ on October 22nd. To launch on NASDAQ. Valkyrie Bitcoin ETF will go live on the NASDAQ just a few days after ProShares debuted a similar product. The last ETF had the most volume of any ETF. Because guys, another article came out titled, Bitcoin Futures ETF hits $1 billion in a record-breaking 2 days, with an 18-year record of the fastest fund to $1 billion having been reached. An article came out titled, JP Morgan says inflation concerns, not ETFs, driving Bitcoin price jump. JP Morgan strategists say that Bitcoin price jumps could cool down after a week or so. Guys, what this article talks about is how inflation is a lot of the reason we're seeing these prices pump as much as they are. With people that used to invest in gold and silver, now guys, they're investing in cryptos because they're seeing how much they keep jumping up every single year, with the top cryptos pumping 2 to 3x on average every single year. Guys, the US dollar is continuing to depreciate in value, and people are using cryptos as a hedge against inflation. Gold and silver are continuing to go down in value every single year, and that's why people that have millions and billions of dollars into the gold and silver are now putting that into cryptos, only causing for the mass adoption to happen that much faster. And you want to be sure to get in before this happens. And guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, As you can see, we had this massive bullish flag and pennant right here. Guys, it had to consolidate, of course, just thereafter because you can't just go straight up. So we have this ascending triangle right here, which is a very bullish pattern. And of course, we had another bullish flag and pennant just thereafter. We came down a bit from there, having another small bullish flag and pennant. And guys, we're coming down again, allowing us to buy this dip right now as I'm calling it out on the Patreon. And then, as you can see, we're forming green candlesticks again, and we'll have another high just thereafter with another bullish flag and pennant, and I'll let you guys know if I'm ready to sell. So you want to be sure to have some cash on the side to buy these dips as I'm calling them out. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.